Welcome. Ever lose track of what's in your fridge? Today we'll build a simple smart fridge using RFID to keep tabs on your ingredients. No spoiled food ever again. At its heart is a Raspberry Pi 4 and an RFID reader. Each food container has a tiny battery-free RFID tag. RFID works by the reader sending out a radio wave when a tag enters that field. It harvests energy and responds with its unique ID. No batteries needed on the tag. Mount the reader on the door so its signal can penetrate the insulation. You can wave items by hand or set the Pi to poll every few minutes to automatically inventory your fridge. Each tag ID maps to an ingredient. When scanned, your Pi logs what's inside. You can even push alerts when supply run low or auto-generate a shopping list.
To manage the ingredients in the refrigerator, we need to know which ingredients are in the refrigerator and which of them is expired. So we have to stick the RFID tags to the food container and give the smart fridge an inventory list which has an expiration date of each item. Then let the RFID scanner scan and remind us the expired food ingredients on the UI, which is a web page in this example. As you see, the prototype in the video is capable to do what we need. Then we will go through the DIY part in the next section.
Before we begin, let's go over the things you'll need. First, our core component, Raspberry Pi 4. Next, we have an RFID reader module. I'm using KLM900P, which comes with its own antenna. To connect to the Pi 4 and the reader, we will need a USB to UART module and a 15-pin ribbon cable. Finally, and most importantly, we need some UHF RFID tags. This usually comes with the module when you buy one. Once your hardware is ready, here is a quick setup guide. First, hardware connections. Follow the instructions on the screen to connect KLM900P, the USB to UART cable, Raspberry Pi, and the 15-pin ribbon cable. Second, OS Flash. Flash a 64-bit Raspberry Pi OS image. During the process, remember to set the host name to smart-fridge.local and configure your home Wi-Fi SSID and password. After flashing, insert the microSD card into the Raspberry Pi and power it on. Now, you can log in with the following command on the screen. SSH space pi at smart-fridge.local. Make sure the Raspberry Pi 4 is connected to the internet. Then we'll install software by following the instructions on the screen. No worries, the commands are all in the description of this video. You can just copy and paste. Great. It's now fully set up. Let's go to next step.
Now let's mount the RFID reader module to the fridge, power it on, and launch the app with the command on the screen. Visit the GitHub repo for more details about the command. Open your browser and visit the URL on the screen. The host name of the URL is exactly what you have set while flashing the OS IMG of Raspberry Pi 4. On the web page, we have an item summary at the top and monitoring the following EPCs below it. Item summary is what we've got in the fridge, and monitoring the following EPCs are the items that can be recognized by the smart fridge. Watch this. As the RFID reader module scans, the web page instantly updates. In the summary, the food container count changes to 1, and its specific EPC appears in the list below. When you're done, just click Stop Scanning on the web page. That's it. This is how to turn your refridge into a smart fridge. I hope this project helps. For more details, please check the description of this video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. See you next time.